Hi guys, welcome back to our food channel, Desi Fusion Kitchen. Thanks for everyone who has been watching our videos, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so if you'd like to see our latest videos. Today we're going to be making a simple go-to dish, just nachos. We use different veggies and we're going to show you how we make it our style. Okay, we're going to begin by taking a can of refried beans. We're using the vegetarian rosarita kind. We're going to turn on the stove. You can use fresh pinto beans if you like to. We're going to take some water. We took about half a cup of water. To this we're going to add 1 tablespoon of TacoBell Hot Sauce. You can find this at any local grocery store. Walmart, Kroger, H-E-B. If you have the packets at home, you can use the packets as well. If it's on Amazon, we will post the link below. Now I'm going to take some taco seasoning. I'm going to reduce the heat because it's boiling already. The taco seasoning you can do per taste. So I do about 1 tablespoon. You want to keep the beans a little runny so you can spread them evenly over the chips. It's like a gloopy consistency. Okay. You can cook the beans about 3 to 4 minutes and then set them aside for the next step. Next, we're going to make the sauteed veggies. So we're going to take a little bit of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Just about a teaspoon of it. Once the oil is heated, we will throw in our veggies. So these are the veggies I have. I've cut up a handful of spinach, about 4 or 5 mushrooms, and about half a green bell pepper. So I'm going to add the mushrooms first because it releases a lot of water. They're about halfway cooked, so I'm going to add the other veggies. To the veggies, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. This is about 1/8 teaspoon. Some crushed black pepper. And a little bit of paprika. And you just cook until all the water is burned off. All 3 of these vegetables release a lot of water, so it just takes a few minutes, depending on how many veggies you're using. This can make about 3 to 4 servings. Alright, all the water has been burned off, so we can set this aside as well. Our sauteed veggies and the refried beans are ready. Now we decorate our chips. The chips we are using is the Costco brand Kirkland organic tortilla chips. You can use any chips you have. They don't even have to be tortilla chips. So now we're going to put the beans over the chips. If you love beans, you can go crazy on this part. and cover all the chips. So all our chips have at least a little bit of beans on it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm using the Kraft Mexican style 4 cheese. You can use any cheese you have. I'm gonna sprinkle some on there. If your beans are still hot, it will melt. If not, you can put the dish in the microwave for about 30 seconds and it will melt really nicely. So we're gonna put our dish in the microwave. There we go. So I'll be back. And we're back with the cheese a little melted. So now we're gonna top with the veggies we had sauteed. All right, now I'm gonna top it with other ingredients I have. I have some fresh chopped tomatoes, some pickled jalapenos that I've chopped up, and some chopped cilantro. And I have some fresh avocado chopped that I'm gonna top with it. If you have guacamole, you can also put some of that. And the last ingredient is gonna be little dollops of sour cream, and it's optional. Each ingredient is optional. Whatever you have, you can use. So we put the sour cream in a little baggie so we can drizzle it really nicely. And there you have it. You can also top it with extra hot sauce if you'd like at the end. Time to dig in.